So this is the 19th of March, 2026, 7:42 p.m. local time here in Suan in Chumphon province, Thailand. I think this is train 44. Yeah, 44. It goes to Suratani. I mean, it goes to Bangkok. It looks like they're all second class. These are seats. I don't know if there's any sleepers in this. I don't think so. Train number 44. 1, 2, 3. So it's only 3 cars / engines combined. I'm not sure how they work. Uh-oh. Doesn't stop long typically. Those are all seats. So it's 3 cars of second class seats, aircon. Train number 44. There's one more train coming in here before my train that I'm waiting for. So we'll see what happens. Bye-bye.